Today we're talking about fobs. I'm going to show you how to change the battery in them. So typically there's two types of key fobs. The first type is the one that has a notch on the side of it. And you're going to use my favorite tool to trade, a penny. So just stick the penny in the slot, press down and twist, and it'll open like so, revealing the battery. The other type of key fob you may encounter is the kind where you actually have to remove part of the key fob to get to its slot. So on this particular one, I'm going to press the button on the back, slide out the key, and then I'll just use a flathead in the slot and I'll just pop it open. So now that we've got the key fobs open, we can replace the batteries. In my case, both of them are CR2032s. You can head to batteriesintheflash.com, type in CR2032 in the search engine, and you'll find all the available options. Okay, to begin, we're going to need to use a small flathead. Just slide out the battery. And now that we've got it removed, let's tear into the new package. On the battery holder, it's going to indicate which way positive goes. In my case, it's up. So I'll slide in the new battery, place the unit back in its holder, and snap it back together. It's that simple. This same procedure can be repeated on the other style of key fobs. And also garage remotes. Now that I've shown you how to change the battery in your key fob, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, or share. And remember to tune in, charge up, or you just might be left in the dark.